Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something truly fascinating for you. Something that will change the way you look at old, used batteries forever. So, stay with me till the end, because this is going to be amazing. I'm taking only 4 batteries for this experiment. Just 4, but the results will shock you. Now, let's begin. I pick up one battery and slightly heat it with a lighter, just enough to loosen its outer paper layer. I carefully peel off the paper layer, revealing the metal body inside. Now, I take my pliers and gently open the cap side of the battery. Carefully, I remove the metal cap. Now I remove the plastic layer, which is protecting the materials inside. Step by step, the battery is opening up. Off camera, I repeat the same process with the other 3 batteries. And now I have 4 fully open batteries, ready for the next step. I take a clean plastic container and place all these open battery shells inside. Now comes the interesting part. I use my pliers to break apart the batteries and extract the black manganese oxide cathode hidden inside. This is the secret ingredient for our magical paint. Carefully, I separate the manganese oxide from the metal pieces. It's important to keep the powder pure for the best results. Now, I take a wooden stick and start grinding the manganese oxide into a fine, smooth powder. This step is crucial to get the perfect paint texture. The powder is finally ready. Now, I add a little bit of water to this powder, and here's the secret trick. I mix in some shampoo. This will help the paint stick better and give it a glossy finish. Now, I start mixing everything carefully, making sure the water, shampoo, and manganese oxide blend perfectly. The paste is a bit thick, so I add some more water to get the right consistency. Again, I mix it well until I get the perfect smooth black paint. And there it is. The magical paint is ready. It looks just like regular black paint, but it's made entirely from old batteries. Now, let's test it out. Here's a motorcycle tire that has become dull and old over time. I am taking an old toothbrush and start applying the paint to one side of the tire, making sure every spot is covered evenly. Carefully, I spread the paint, ensuring it soaks in properly. Now, I take a cloth and wipe off the excess. And wow! Just look at that. The tire looks brand new. To make the difference even clearer, I show you both sides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.